Let's go to Mississauga G2 test route now, and let's also look around. Anyone coming? No one? Then we turn left here, and see one car's coming. Be careful, give them a space to turn. Yeah, don't go too close to another car. Those are turning. They need a space to park the car. And there's a lot of cars parked here, and there's a lot of pedestrians walking around. So be careful about them. Give them their space, and keep the right side of the road. There's so many bumps around here, and be careful. Go slowly here, and make sure keep the car rightmost side. Don't go towards left or middle here. So many cars are coming from the opposite side too. If you look around here, there are the bumps around here. Look around. Look around. Anyone coming? Yeah, for stop sign here. Completely stop here. Stop completely. Look around. Yeah. And then next stop sign. We'll take a left from the next stop sign. That stop sign is very tricky. So many people get fail for this stop sign. Make sure you see it nicely. Left from the stop sign. Stop it completely here. Right? We are first now. We'll go left first, and there's 2 lanes here. We'll go to the first lane here, and then speed up. Speed limit is 50 here. Then change it to right. There's a white stripe. Change it to right lane. So when it's safe to do so, change back to left. Example will tell you to go left here. So when I tell you to go left here, go left. Left indicator. And that's a dairy road. On dairy, we'll go left here, and the light is green. Nobody is coming from the front. No pedestrian. We will go left here. We'll go left here. We'll go to the first lane here, and then speed up. Speed limit is 70 here. Change it to right lane. Mirror signal blind spot. Change it to right lane. It's 70 speed limit here. Whenever it's safe to do so, change it to right. Go to the rightmost lane here. Don't go 3 lanes together. Change lane one by one. All 3 lanes change one by one. And then next traffic light. We'll take a right for the next traffic light. That is St. Barbara Boulevard. First you have to go and say red light. See, other side there's nothing is there. But still, make sure you stop at the red light. So many people just get fail for this thing. They don't stop. They think that nothing can come from there. Stop here completely. Then check. Then take a right here. And speed limit is 40 here. In these streets, speed limit is 40 here. In these streets, examiner is going to tell you to do 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking. We are not going to do anything like that. For that, you can watch my another videos about the parallel parking, 3-point turn, uphill and downhill. And we will not do any parking things in these streets. And we will just drive in the street here. Stop sign here, complete stop. Speed limit is 40 here in these streets. Be careful, see when somebody is standing like this. And take a left, we'll go around. We will not do any parking things here in the streets. We'll take a left here. Drive into these streets. There's nothing special in these streets. There's the same thing like another normal streets. So you don't have to really do any practice around here. And next stop sign, we will take a right. That's only for you, that stop sign. the stop sign is St. Barbara Boulevard. We'll take stop here before the crosswalk here. Complete stop. Nobody's coming. We can take a right here. Yeah, same thing again. Speed limit is 40 here. Look for the pedestrian and look for the cars. Again, is always stop sign. Stop here, completely stop. Always stop sign. Yeah. We are first, we'll go first. Next traffic light, we will take left. There's again Dairy Road. So 40 ends from the traffic light onward. We take a left here and enter from the white line. Don't touch yellow line here. Enter from the white line and take the left from the traffic light. So when this red light, first stop here completely. Look around. When you're standing here, don't keep on staring at the light. Look around, look for the pedestrian, look for the cars, look for the see here, after that you're turning left. That you have to change 3 lanes also. Look for the cars. Anyone coming in the way? No one car is standing behind me. Yeah, so I have to look. Nobody's coming. Sometimes these lights are very long. You have to wait patiently. Don't rush. And standing here, look for the lights. Look for the car. Look for their light. Look for their cars. Who can come to your way? Nothing can come in our way when the light turns to green. Because the road in front of us is closed, so nothing can come. We're just waiting for the light to turn to green. Yeah, maybe going to change soon. Because speed limit is 70 here, so sometimes what if that light is their light turn to yellow or red, some people speed up. Just don't rush when the light turn to green. Just have a look both sides and then go. The light is green, no, go check both sides. No one is coming. So go to the first lane here. First lane here, then speed up, go to 70. MSB, the signal blind spot, and change it to right. And again, this one. Again, another lane we have to change. MSP, no signal blind spot, change it to right. For this lane changing, they won't tell you. You have to do by yourself. When you take left, you have to come, supposed to be coming in the rightmost lane by yourself. Yeah. Then take a right from the next traffic light. Merit Drive. The light is green. We can take a right. Merit Drive speed limit is 50 here, and keep in the rightmost side. This one lane will become a 2 lanes after that, so you have to keep in the rightmost lane. See here, it's always stop sign. This stop sign is very tricky. Okay, be careful. Stop here completely. Yeah, woman coming. Right. And keep in the right side here. The long side road. Long side drive. Long side drive. Straight here. Keep in the rightmost side. Slowly. And there's a lot of pedestrians walking in the weekdays. And go slowly here. And after coming back here, some of the examiners they ask back parking, some of the examiners ask front parking. To learn the parking skills, you can watch my another video how to do safely straight parking or back parking. I explain very nicely into that. You can learn from my another videos like that. So I will just do straight parking here, and they will tell you okay, park anywhere. So I'll park here, and then they will tell you congratulations, you meet the ministry standard today, you pass, go and get your license from inside. Hopefully this video is going to help you to pass your road test. If you want to learn driving or if you have any question about the passing the road test, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Chavla and phone number is 416-275-3965.